Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about bringing luxury resort energy right into your living room. And not just any energy, but the kind that feels like you stepped into a tropical paradise. We're taking a deep dive into 7 modern tropical living room ideas that feel like a luxury resort. Home Tour 2025. Ideas that instantly elevate your space from everyday to escape-level chic. Imagine walking into a living room that feels like a 5-star resort when you open the door. Breezy textures, abundant natural light, lush greens, and sophisticated finishes that make you breathe easier the moment you step inside. Today, we're touring 7 curated spaces, each with design elements that capture that calm, luxurious island getaway feeling, whether you're in a beach house, a city home, or a tropical apartment. From materials that echo nature to layouts that blur indoor and outdoor life, you're going to want to take notes. Let's get into it. The foundation: light, neutral palettes. First up, the foundation of every modern tropical living room that feels like a luxury resort: light and neutral color palettes. When you think of a tropical resort, you picture soft sand, clear skies, gentle ocean waves, and that's exactly the kind of color base designers use to set a calming tone. Think warm whites, sandy beiges, gentle taupes, and shades of cream. These tones reflect light beautifully, make small spaces feel open, and create a serene backdrop for everything you layer on top. But here's the trick. You don't want a flat, boring white room. Instead, mix soft neutrals with subtle texture, like matte plaster walls, lightly stained wood, or linen upholstery, so the room feels elegant and intentional, not hospital white. This neutral foundation makes every piece from woven furniture to lush tropical plants pop, and instantly gives your living room that calm, resort-inspired feeling before we even add accessories. Natural materials that feel luxe. Next up is all about materials. Tropical resort living rooms have a signature look, and that's because they lean hard into natural, tactile elements that feel luxurious without being flashy. We're talking about materials like rattan, teak, bamboo, seagrass, and woven seagrass rugs, things that have a natural texture and warm, organic energy. These pieces bring a level of crafted elegance you don't get from ultra-shiny surfaces alone. And here's something important. Luxury isn't about stuff. It's about intentional materials that feel both rich and relaxed. So designers mix things like a sleek, minimalist sofa with a chunky teak coffee table, or a delicate rattan lounge chair with a plush neutral throw. Those natural materials not only ground the space, they create a sensory experience you feel as soon as you walk in, like you've just walked into a curated resort lounge. Indoor-outdoor flow and plant life. One of the biggest secrets behind that resort feeling is a connection to nature. Luxury tropical resorts work because they blur the line between indoor comfort and the outdoors. You can create that in your home by maximizing windows, sliding doors, and greenery in your living room. Think floor-to-ceiling glass that frames your garden, or even a balcony filled with palms and ferns. But if you don't live in a tropical climate, don't worry. You can bring that vibe inside with large leafy plants like bird of paradise, monstera, or kentia palms placed strategically around your seating group. Even a well-styled cluster of greenery beside a lounge chair evokes that outdoorsy calm. This doesn't just look great. Layered textures and cozy comfort. A luxury tropical living room doesn't feel cold or sterile. It feels warm, inviting, and carefully layered. Think of textures like soft linen curtains gently billowing in a breeze, a chunky seagrass rug underfoot, woven throw pillows, or a knitted poof. Layering textures helps your room feel lived in, yet elevated, like a resort lounge you actually want to relax in. You can combine cool textures like smooth stone or polished wood with softer ones like cotton and wool for contrast. And don't underestimate comfort. Plush seating with plenty of cushions encourages you and your guests to stay, unwind, and linger,
just like a luxury resort living area should. The key is balance. No clutter, but no sterile minimalism either. When the eyes and the body both feel comfortable, the space stops feeling like a showroom and starts feeling like your own personal escape. Art and accessories that evoke calm. Now let's talk about accessories, the curated pieces that tie everything together. At a luxury resort, art and decor never feel random. You'll often see abstract prints, nature-inspired pieces, and subtle sculptural forms that echo the colors and vibe of their surroundings, like ocean blues, sandy neutrals, or tropical greens. Choose artwork or accessories that evoke calm and openness. Large framed prints of seascapes, woven wall hangings, or ceramic vases with organic shapes. Avoid overly literal tropical motifs like cartoonish palms. Instead, go for pieces that suggest the vibe without shouting it. The same goes for coffee table books, trays, or decorative bowls. Keep things purposeful and spacious. Luxury interiors don't feel crowded, they feel intentional. This kind of careful curation makes your living room feel thoughtful, elevated, and truly like a space you'd find in a resort's private villa. And those are your 7 modern tropical living room ideas that feel like a luxury resort in 2025. From serene color palettes and natural materials to layered textures and thoughtful art, these elements work together to make any living room feel like a curated escape. If you enjoyed this tour and want more design ideas that feel like travel, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below which idea you want to try in your home first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.